Hey guys, it's Shannon. I am back with another Simply Earth unboxing. If you follow me, you know this is my very favorite subscription box that I get every single month. And this month is a bonus box month. So if you haven't heard of Simply Earth before, it is a monthly subscription box that sends you 4 essential oils, recipe cards, labels, and some of the goodies that you'll need to create those recipes. And every 6 months you actually get one of these big bonus boxes. Yeah, see how big it is? That's because it's loaded down with all kinds of great things that you'll need for the next 6 months to create your recipes that Simply Earth sends you every single month. And this just happens to be my second Simply Earth bonus box. So I wanted to show you guys what came in my bonus box, and my monthly September subscription box is in here as well. So let's go check it out and see what is inside. All right, so like I said, you get this every 6 months, and if you are a new subscriber to Simply Earth, you will actually get this your very first month too. And inside there's a card, and on here it has a rundown of your schedule. So your first month, or this month, you get your big bonus box plus a recipe box. You'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regular recipe boxes, and then you'll get your next big bonus box on your 6th month. So I'm on my 6th month right now, and right on top you'll see this month's subscription. So this is September 2018's box. We'll get back to that next, but this is basically what will come every month in the mail when you are not getting your big bonus box. And in here, all this cute packing. So in this big bonus box, there is beeswax. You will get coconut oil, just plain solidified coconut oil. You'll get almond oil and fractionated coconut oil. And then the rest of what is in here are the really nice amber bottles that you'll need to create the recipes that will be coming in the next 6 months. And there are roller bottles, there are diffuser blend bottles, lots of goodies. So now on to our September unboxing. All right, so now it is time to open our September box here. And I always get so excited to see what the theme is. And it looks like this month's theme is sort of a family-friendly, kids fun theme, which I have a 5-year-old, so this is perfect. Or if you have grandkids or nieces and nephews, or if you babysit, anything like that, this box would actually be so fun to create. And on top are your labels that will be going on your bottles and things. And then let's look at the recipes in this box. So the first one is a jewelry diffuser recipe, Bumps and Boo Boos roll-on, Fall Fresh diffuser blend, calming sock bun, well that sounds interesting, calming natural Play-Doh, oh no, that will be really fun for us to do, and a scented sensory rainbow beans. We've played with beans before, so this is kind of a cool take on that. And then also inside you'll see here there are your 4 essential oils, and you'll get 4 every single month with Simply Earth. The first one is the Bumps and Boo Boos blend. Next is cypress, and also cedarwood. And the last essential oil is tangerine. And then on the side here, you also get some goodies and extra things that you need to create the recipes that came in your box. So this month is this really cute little bracelet, and also a diffuser blend bottle. And now that I've shown you everything that came in the September box, I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of these recipes. So I know this recipe is gonna come in handy right away, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this one, Bumps and Boo Boos roll-on. And it says that we need the Bumps and Boo Boo essential oil, a carrier oil such as almond oil, which we got in our bonus box this month, and also a roll-on bottle, which also came in our bonus box this month. And that's all we need to create this recipe. So I put a towel down just to protect my surface of any spills or drips. And your roller bottle comes with this little roller ball And you just remove that, take your lid off, remove that, and then it says to add 7 drops of the Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil blend. And then you just fill the rest of the bottle up with your carrier oil, and I'm using almond oil here. And then you just put your lid back onto the roller bottle, or your roller ball back on top, and shake it up. And I'm gonna add my label to the front of this so we know what it is the next time we go to use it. And here's a look at the cute little roller bottle with the label on it. And it says to use, apply to tiny bumps and boo-boos to help promote healing. Next, I'm gonna make the jewelry diffuser recipe. I have a necklace that I add essential oils to, so I love the idea of adding it to a cute little bracelet for a little one. So your bracelet came in your September box, and then it also says that you will need the tangerine essential oil and the Bumps and Boo Boos blend. I love the scent combination. The tangerine is definitely one of my favorites. And here's a look at all the great things that I got from Simply Earth this month. If you guys are interested in subscribing and receiving your own Simply Month recipe box each month, I will have a coupon code in the description box below where you can use the code TheDailyDIYer free and earn yourself a free $20 gift card, which you could use towards a diffuser like this one here that is in their online store. These recipes are always so fun to make. I think that's why I love Simply Earth so much, because it's almost like you are doing a DIY. In the same time, you are also creating things that are safe and healthy for your home and family. I'm looking forward to creating the rest of these recipes with my little guy. I know he's really gonna enjoy that Play-Doh so much. I hope that this video inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can also share it with your friends and family and inspire them too. Also hit subscribe. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.